Hello, I'm James Preston and welcome to the Morning Outlook exclusive to Kalkine TV, where we provide you with all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Australian share market is set to end the week on a positive note, following a robust overnight trade on Wall Street after minutes from the latest US Federal Reserve meeting indicated the central bank would remain flexible on rate hikes later in the year to address inflation. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is likely to open 69 points or 1% higher today. The benchmark index fell 0.7% to 7,105.9 points on Thursday, and grocery giants were particularly unpopular, whilst the IT sector performed strongly, due primarily to the incredible performance of Appen. Appen soared 29% to $8.27 per share before entering a trading halt by the afternoon. The initial surge was due to rumours around a takeover bid by Tearless International. However, the $1.2 billion takeover bid now seems to have stalled. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones surged 1.6%, the S&P rose 2%, and the Nasdaq jumped 2.7%. Data on Thursday showed the number of Americans filing new claims for unemployment benefits fell more than expected last week as the labour market remains tight. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 rose 1.7%, the FTSE surged 0.6%, the CAC gained 1.8%, and the German DAX ended 1.6% higher. The MSCI's benchmark for global stocks was up by 1.5% at 3:30 p.m. EDT time, and the MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan rose by 0.08%. For Asian markets, though, it was a muted performance. Japan's Nikkei fell by 0.27%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng also saw a loss of 0.27%, whilst China's Shanghai Composite saw a marginal increase of 0.5%. Time now for a very quick break before we take a look at the Aussie dollar, oil, gold and the world of crypto. Welcome back to the Morning Outlook, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Aussie dollar has remained reasonably stable across the last 5 days and is currently buying 71 US cents. Oil prices climbed about 3% to a 2-month high on Thursday on the back of signs of tight supply ahead of US summer driving season, along with the European Union having wrangled with Hungary over plans to ban crude imports from Russia over its invasion of Ukraine. Brent futures rose by 3% to settle at $117.40 a barrel, and WTI crude rose by 3.4% to settle at $114.09 per barrel. Gold prices also inched higher despite the Federal Reserve's aggressive monetary policy tightening plan. US gold futures settled up by 0.07% to trade at $1,847.60. And lastly, the struggles in the crypto market continue. In the past 24 hours, the global crypto market capitalisation has dipped by 3.13% for a valuation of just over $1.22 trillion US dollars. Flagship cryptocurrency Bitcoin is once more below the $30,000 mark, experiencing a decrease of more than 3.28% in the past 24 hours. Alright, well that's all for this edition of the Morning Outlook. Have a great day trading and make sure to keep it locked on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine.